TV.
Wow, yes, TV.
Oh.
Mama. I need help.
You need help? Okay, I'll help you to take it out in this way.
I want to go.
Okay, if you hold on to this, then I'll give you the rest.
Let's see inside. What's this inside? What's inside?
Hoover.
Let's see. Let's see.
This one,
Show me the picture.
this one. This one, water.
Okay, this is the main one. Then plus some accessories.
The water. Oh my. It's the pipe.
Oh, it's got this around.
What? Let's go.
What do you have, GB?
Oh,
Show me. Show me.
look.
Oh, this is for the cleaning.
Oh, this is like a wet hand. Oh wow.
Oh, yes, go.
Yeah.
Ooh. We'll fit it completely and see how it works. Okay, let's see.
He doesn't know what.
Okay, you want to plug it in, GB? You want to plug it in?
Let's see the how. No, not going.
Okay, I'll help you with this. If you can just go and plug it in there for me.
What are you doing?
What is this? Show me. Show me. Oh wow.
Daddy, Dad,
Yes.
look.
Oh, okay.
What we put in top? Like glue. This one is not going.
Okay. So I think.
Now you use this one. Use this one.
Oh, this one maybe. Yeah, looks like it. Oh, this one goes onto the top. Yeah.
Going. Yeah.
So I'll explain to you. Okay, I think by the looks of it, this goes here. Let's do this first.
Could GB pass? Let me see that one.
Look, GB. Okay, so this goes here. This is fitted. Now this goes on top.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's have water.
Give me that.
It's have water.
Yeah, so this goes.
This is huge. You want to use this?
Oh.
What do you want to clean it with?
I clean it in the front. Oh! Where's the door?
What is this for, GB?
No, I don't want
This one, this pipe.
So this-
Hoover.
Where does it go? Wow!
Smell.
No, it doesn't.
Smells this.
Because it's brand new, probably that's why it smells.
I can use this one.
Sorry? You want to use it?
I need to put this in the front.
What do you want to do with it?
Oh.
It wouldn't work once you.
Where does this pipe go?
Smell.
What about the other
Smells
accessories?
disgusting.
This should lock in. Let's see how it looks in.
No. See. Look for it. See.
Oh, I see. Okay.
See the Oh, no, where am I put the what?
Oh, you want to put this?
What's going on there? Not going.
Do you know what you're doing?
Guys, I'm gonna do the hoover.
Did you like it? Are you happy?
I got the others in shower.
You want to take this into shower?
No, he doesn't want to take this in shower. That's what.
Jimmy, you look so cute.
Look. What's this? What's this?
Oh, look.
Show me what's this.
Finally clipped in.
It's not.
Oh,
Look.
this is for accessories.
Oh, it
It's the
clips
bag.
in here. And this clips in there. And then now you could switch it on.
It's
Let
like
me just.
good stuff. Bye.
Okay, I think we're done for today.
Oh, I have to.
You like this hoover?
Yes, a white one.
Uh-huh.
Oh, where's the bag?
The bag's there. There.
Oh, I'll find it. Oh, sit.
Okay, guys, so we're done for today. And GB is going to try cleaning the carpet,
Sit.
car carpet, for us tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye, GB.
Bye. Bye.